Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to organize my TV stand a little bit. I've got some rechargeable batteries down here. I've got some old video games down here. I want to kind of get these, hide them out of the way. I still want to keep them. I want to store them. I want to put them somewhere. So I'm going to use one of these baskets. I started out with these baskets, one on each side here, and I loved them so much. I went ahead and got another set. I'm going to go ahead and show you how they work. The nice thing about these baskets is they are 10 inches high. Most of the baskets you find are going to be 11 inches high. That's great, but if you have a smaller cabinet that only has 10 inches in here, you're going to need that. Under coffee tables, same idea. Sometimes 11 inches is too much if they have a shelf on the coffee table, but 10 inches is usually okay. You can go ahead and measure these, measure your space, and just make sure. So here's what it comes. It comes in a set of two, by the way. I got two of them, one for each side. They do come in different colors. This is just the gray color. So you open it up like this, like that there, and then kind of do that, okay? And then you have a backing. Here's the backing. So you're going to open it up, and I'm going to push the backing in, just like that. And there is a little tab to pull it out if you ever want to undo it. So I'm going to push that backing in, kind of push it down in there. And what that does is that adds rigidity to the bottom, and now it won't collapse or anything. And again, if I want to pull it out, I just grab that little tab, pull it out. But here we go. I'm ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and take my video games and put them in just like that. And then I'm going to take my pile of rechargeable batteries for the moment and throw all them in as well. And instead of all this junk in the corner, I'm just going to go ahead and slide this right in because, again, it's 10 inches, slides right in. And I'm done, nice and neat. When I need batteries, when I need a video game, I just grab the handle, pull it out, grab what I need, and then go ahead and put it back. These things are really super convenient. I like the fact that they're slightly smaller than most of the other bins because they fit a little better, they work a little better. These will obviously also fit in the 11-inch high bins. It just gives you a little extra space for pulling in and out, and that makes it really, really helpful. So again, set of two, really simple. Again, this is the gray, easy to put together. They work well, they look great. They have a nice finish on the outside. They seem pretty durable. Really, really nice. Highly recommended.